today I thought it would be fun to kind of show you a few of the things I got for my pre-order from going to On Stage. We were able to pre-order a few things, premiere pre-order, or whatever they want to call it. I got a catalog, but I can't show you the inside, but this is something new. It's gold flakes that's going to go with this set that I bought. I didn't get the flakes, but there's also heat and stick powder. You use your Versamark ink and you stamp your stamp pad in the Versamark ink, and then you use heat and stick powder and heat it with your heating tool, and then you press these gold flakes on there, and it gives it a gold, like in the different places in the flower. Anyway, this is the mini catalog, and then this is the celebration catalog. I got three things out of this, and a few things out of the mini catalog. So I'll show you what I got. I'll start with this set. This is the one that the gold flakes goes with. There's a new embossing folder. It embosses like this. It's called Painted Texture. It's very pretty. So there's that. This is all part of the suite. And then there's this gold fine art ribbon. And it's gold. And it is, let's see, 3/8 of an inch wide, 1 centimeter. So there's that. This is the stamp set, and it's photopolymer. And when we're using the gold flecks, you stamp this in whatever color you're going to do, and then you stamp this with the Versamark, put the heat and stick powder on it, and then the gold flecks, and then brush it off. And it's really gorgeous. We saw a sample of it. And then these are the dies that go with it. They cut out the flower, the stem, and there's a couple of small labels that your sentiments fit in. It's very, very, very nice. And then this is the paper. This is the front. There's, I wrote it down. There's 12 sheets, two of each of 6 designs. So this is the front, and that's the back. And there's this one, and that's the back of that one. And there's this one, and that's the back. I thought this was gorgeous. And then the back. In this paper, there's an acetate sheet that fits on this. And there's 3 of these in the package. It's part of the suite. And you can either have, well, if you want it on your paper like this, then this is the gold side. If you flip it over, it's silver, but it doesn't line up. So, but you can use it separate. You don't have to use it on the paper. And there's 3 different designs. There's 3 sheets, 1 of each design. Here's the other one. This is the back of this paper. And then there's this one. It's too bright. And this is an acetate sheet. It lines up on this paper, like so. It looks really pretty, and like I said, it's silver on the back, so you could use it just on the if you want to just use it on here. But it looks like this. And then you can turn your paper over, and here's the 3rd sheet. Sorry if it's shiny on there from my lights. And you can use this on the back of any of the designer series paper, and it is also silver on the other side. That looks pretty too. So, let me turn this back over. So that's the paper in this suite and the acetate. And then the next suite, you've already seen part of it. You've seen this paper. I showed it to you on my video from yesterday with this. This is a cling stamp. And then the punch that goes with that. Well, the rest of this suite, well, there's the ladybugs and then the ribbon for this. This is the rest of it. So if you look at this, this one has dies. There's this little bee with a die to cut the little bee out. And on this paper, there's paper with little bees on it that you can cut out with that die right here. So that's kind of cool too. So there's that suite. And then you've seen this one. This one is also in the new mini catalog, and it's red rubber. I think this one is red rubber also. Clean stamp. Now let me show you the free items that I got. With $50 in orders, this is a free stamp, and it is a cling, red rubber. Then there's this paper. It's the ombre, oh so ombre. This is free with a 50, so $50, $50. So there's a $100 purchase, and this is the paper. This is the front of it. It's real pretty. And then this is the back of it. And there are, I wrote it down, 48 sheets, 12 each of 4 designs. So that's a celebration item. And then there's this paper. And this paper, there are 12 sheets, 2 each of 6 designs. This is one side, and that's the other. This side, and that's the other. Lots of flowers. I really like this paper. This is really pretty. It goes with something else that I was working on. This will make nice background paper. Designer series. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And that's the back. So this is with a $50 purchase. So for $150, you can get these 3 things for free. Plus, a $150 purchase gets you $15 in Stampin' rewards, and you can get another $15 for free. So demonstrators can order starting December the 1st, and customers can start ordering January. Let's see if this says. I think it's January 3rd. Because this starts in January and goes through June. Well, it must be January 5th, because that's the date on the celebration. So this starts January 5th and goes until February 28th. So that's my pre-order that I got. I did get some more paper, but all I bought was the DSP, and this is the Well Suited Designer Series paper. And the stamp set and dies are men's ties and a shirt. But I really like this paper. That's different. So I bought this so I could make cards for men, because I buy a lot of flowered paper because I like it. So I thought this would be nice to have to make men's cards. But you can get the stamps and dies that are ties and shirts, like a shirt front or something. It's pretty neat. There was other things I could have ordered, but I kind of limited to myself. I can order again next month, and when I do that, I'll be ordering out of the catalogs. We had a limited number of things that we could order, pre-order. So if you're interested in becoming a demonstrator so that you can order early, click the little down arrow and that will take you to my website, or you can go to my blog and there's a join now button on my blog, and you could sign up as a demonstrator, and it's $99. You get $125 worth of product. I would love to have you on my team. So you have a blessed day and have fun stamping.